Powerful AC outlet. Power charge a laptop, gaming system, small appliance, power tools, and more using the powerful AC outlet. Charge a USB and AC device at once for dual charging. 100W ATT USB power port. Charge your favorite mobile device with the 12-watt, 2.4A USB port while simultaneously using the AC outlet to charge two devices at once without losing performance. LED indicator. Red and green indicators let you know the inverter is powered on or on standby with power protection mode. You'll know when it's safe to use and when it's getting the job done. Protective circuitry. This inverter has multiple built-in layers of safety featuring low input voltage, high input voltage, 20 amp fuse with integrated fan, and thermal and overload protection to keep you and your devices safe. 12 volts powered. Use the included 12 volts adapter pivoting power plug to power the inverter off of your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. Do not use this device in a cigarette lighter socket. This product is backed by 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, well priced. Excellent product at a great price. We've been using it quite a bit in the car.